Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am trying out what's inside my ALTHEA birthday box. So if you want to see what's inside, just keep watching. But before you go, make sure, if you haven't already, that you subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, before we get started digging into the box, I do want to let you know that this was sent to me by ALTHEA. They let me go onto their website and pick which one of the boxes I wanted to get. If you've never shopped at their website, I'm going to leave a link down below. This was sent as PR. I'm not being paid to do this, and this is going to be completely my 100% honest opinion. I'm always that way. If something's bad, I tell you it's bad. If it's good, it's good. If it's just it's So let's dig into this. Again, they have all different kinds of boxes on their website, besides a bunch of other Korean beauty products is basically what it is. So you go there, you select what box you want to buy. They range from about $25 on up. Most of them are in the higher 20s. Some of them can get pretty expensive if you get a lot of different products in there. So, but this is the one I chose, and it comes all nicely packed. It's still all wrapped up in the bubble wrap, so I haven't even taken it out of any of that yet. And I honestly don't even remember what's inside of this. That's what's nice about being able to pick your box, is you pick what products are inside that box, or you pick the box based on what products are inside of it. So they don't have this one available anymore. I don't honestly remember what the price of it was at that time, but I want to say it was in the upper 20s. So the first thing I'm going to take out of this bubble wrap, it's called the 16 Briquette Shadow Kit. So it looks like a chocolate bar. This has, I think, 10 eyeshadows. Well, let's just open it and find out. Everything is nicely sealed up in here. So that's what it looks like on the outside. And you do get one of these lovely little brushes. This is a sponge brush, so it has, you have a finer tip and then a wider tip. These are sponge. And then you have a mirror inside, which has a plastic covering on it, but these are the 10 eyeshadows that are inside of that. So let's swatch some of these. Looks like 2 of them are shimmers, and oh wow, 3 of them are shimmers. I'm sorry about that. And the rest of them, that's 3 of them right there. The other rest of them are just matte. I'm sorry, I didn't even finish my sentence. So that's 3 of them there. Let's go into some of these darker shades. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. Another 3. So those, I'm excited to give this a try. Very excited to give that a try. All right, the next item is a concealer. This just says it's a full cover liquid concealer. This is in the color. Good question. It does not say anywhere on here what the color is. So we'll see. Looks light enough in there. Ooh. It's got a little doe foot applicator, so much smaller than the Tarte Shape Tape, but wow, that's really good coverage. I put it right across the top of this vein here, and you can see, well, you can't see the vein, but it did actually, so it did a great job of covering that up. I can't talk. So anxious to try that out and see if it'll do something with these dark circles. Then I have a few little sample size things. So this says it is Sinaki. It's a powerful 10 formula Sinaki skin safety tested. It's skin. And then I don't know what it says on the back because it's all in Korean. Let's see if I get the reflection off of that. I don't think you're going to be able to see this, so I'm guessing it's some sort of a cream product. They don't include a little card or anything, so we'll see. And then we got a Power 10 Formula WH Effector with arbutin, skin safety tested, and again on the back it's all in Korean, so I don't know what that is. Then I got a Hyaluron Vita Oil Foam. Innovative oil foam transforms from plant-based natural oil to foam upon contact with water while nourishing the skin. And all the instructions on the back are in Korean. I'm guessing I mixed it with water. We'll see. All right, 2 more things are in this. The first one is a water lip tattoo. And this is in the color Rose Gold, which sounds like my kind of shade. Open this up. That's what the little bottle looks like with the red cap on it. Let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to take my lipstick off. I'll give this a try. Really much darker than I thought it was going to be. This smells so fruity. Like a lip gloss. Let me get a mirror out here. I'm going to try this a little more because it's very sheer. I would say this would be better to maybe put over the top of a lipstick unless you want just a sheer look. It just smells really fruity. Oh my god, oh my gosh, you guys, this tastes horrible. Oh my god, oh my gosh, you guys, this tastes horrible. Oh, 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 it tastes so chemically. Mm-mm. Oh, go away. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ugh, I can't get that taste out of my mouth. That's bad. Oh, no. No, don't get this one. That's bad. This is by Keep in Touch. Yeah, Keep in Touch Water Lip Tattoo. Don't get this. It tastes bad. It tastes like chemicals. Okay. Oh, see, I told you I was going to keep it real. All right, we're on to the last product. This is the Constante Elegance Fixer. Fixer. It would be so nice if something was in English on this so I could tell you what it's supposed to fix, because it doesn't say on here in English what it is. I'll look some more online and see if I can find something about this box since it is sold out. Maybe I can find out what the products were in it. You get 1.7 ounces. It's a nano nutrient formula. Satin Site Constantine Elegance. It's liquidy. I wonder if it's a face primer. I don't know. I don't know what this is. I can't tell you if I like it or not. It's got kind of an alcohol scent to it. I can tell you that. It's clear liquid. Here's what the spray looks like. It's got a nice mist to it. But I don't know what it is. I'm sorry, I don't know what this is. So I'll do some research on this stuff, guys, and I will leave either some things across the bottom here on the screen, or I will leave it all down in the description box, one of those two, as well as a link to their website if you want to check out any of their other boxes. So far out of this, I'm very excited about the eyeshadow palette and also the concealer. So we'll see how these two items work out. Don't get this. Stay away from this. And I'll try and figure out what these things are as well. So we shall see. So anyway, that is one of their boxes. And maybe I'd have better luck with another one. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And feel free to leave any comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, if you didn't even enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up anyway, because I'm a trooper for sharing this with you. Anyway, thanks so much, you guys. I love you. And until next time, bye-bye.